Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a quick reading, a collective reading. As you know, I do only collective readings here. I don't do any picker cards here. So yeah, if you want to see what your person is currently feeling like, we'll do a collective reading about how your person is currently feeling like, okay? Like right now, how they are feeling, okay? We'll try to pick up their energies and what they're going through, what's going on in their mind. Let's see what's going on in their mind, okay? This will be a quick reading. I won't keep it for very long. So if you're interested, please watch throughout the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button right now before you get lost into my video's emotions. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Okay. The first card we have is the Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. This is a very passionate energy to begin with. So beautiful start of the reading. Two of Pentacles. This is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I don't read reversals over here. Seven of Cups, Four of Pentacles. Okay, let's arrange these cards and let's go forward with the reading. Okay, the next card is Page of Cups. The next card we have is the Fool energy, Aries energy. Okay, Seven of Cups, and the next card we have is Six of Cups with with Knight of Cups. Okay, so we have all the necessary cards here. Let me tell you quickly what are the signs that I can see here. With this Ace of Wands, this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. With this Two of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. With this Seven of Cups, Six of Cups, and Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. And let's not forget this Knight of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. With this Seven of Swords and Aries energy. So overall I can see here there is a lot of curiosity this person is going through. They are curious about you. They want to know what you're doing, whom you're talking to, what you're doing on the social media. They are spying on you. There is a heavy and obsessive spying that I can smell over here. This person is confused. Like they are confused what to do. They are overwhelmed with thoughts that everything is just foggy and unclear to this person. They don't want to lose you. This is the best thing I can see here. They don't want to lose you because they love you. But on the outer side, maybe this person does show like they don't care because you did something they did not like, and they labeled it something with like, this person has a lot of trust issues because they don't want to lose you. Yeah, with this Four of Pentacles, this person is very insecure. This person is always insecure that they might lose you someday, and that is the whole thing here. Okay, and I see this person is very curious about you right now. They want to love you. They want to come back with an offer. They want to show how they really feel about you, but they don't have much to offer. With this Knight of Cups, they don't have much emotional level. On an emotional level, this person doesn't have much to offer you. This person feels as if whatever they want to offer you is not enough for you. Okay, maybe they feel as if you have a lot of people around you. Maybe many people like you, many people adore you, admire you, have feelings for you, and they take it as something that you are breaking their trust, or maybe you're not trustworthy. With the Seven of Swords, maybe they feel you always do something that is not good. That is not something, you are not a person who is trustworthy. This person thinks about you in that way. Okay, maybe they feel you're juggling with two people. You have someone in your life, but what I see here is this person has a lot of feelings, has a lot of emotions, passion, insecurity, but in a good sense. Okay, and right now this person is quite overwhelmed. They want to know about you. They are curious to know about you. And very soon this person is going to offer you something. Maybe it is too little for you right now, but they want to offer you something no matter what they have. Okay, this person really will come back to you with an emotional offer. They will try to win you back at any cost, but they are really afraid right now to lose you. They don't want to lose you at any cost. This person feels as if they are losing their grip over you. They can't have you anymore, and this is what's stressing them out. This is what's confusing them. Okay, they feel as if you have a lot of people around you and anyone can have you. Okay, but that is the thing. This comes out of this insecurity they are feeling right now is coming out of their emotions for you, their love for you, their affection for you. Yeah, I'm also seeing this person wants an emotional a brand new beginning with you, and that is why they are obsessively spying on you to see how you feel right now. Are you ready? Are in your are you having good feelings about this person? Can you take them back? They are sensing it, they are testing the waters right now before they jump into the waters, right? So this person is quite interested in you. They want to get to know you, they want to see how you're feeling, they want to get closer to you, they want to feel you, they want to have you in their life. Yeah, this is what they're exactly feeling right now. But what's stopping them is their ego, the lack of clarity they're having, the lack of trust they're having for you is what's stopping this person. Yeah, if they get over these things, they can easily get back to you at any time. Yeah, nothing can stop them coming, back to you. This person is obsessively spying on you. Please be wary of that. Let's see what more do we have. And they will come back with an offer, a new brand start. They want a new brand start with you. Yeah, they want stability. 4 of wands. So this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. This is a card of stability. They want to marry you. This person sees you as their long-term partner. They don't see you as someone whom they can play around and just leave for the other people. You are one of a kind for this person. You come once in a lifetime. You are a once in a lifetime kind of a person for this person, and you bring them happiness, you bring them light, you bring them positivity, you radiate positivity, and that is what they like about you. They like the positivity you radiate. Yeah, this person really feels happy when they are around you, and they know that you only make them happy. Yeah, what more do we have? Yeah, they want communication. 4 of wands, 6 of wands. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. I don't know why I say 6 of cups, but 6 of cups for me is a coming back together, reconciling, reconciling with an old person you are wishing for, wish fulfillment. Okay, and this person wants to really communicate to you. You are going to unexpectedly receive communication from this person. They are going to come back to you. They are going to this person wants to come back to you. They want to offer you something. They are really passionate about you. They really love you. Yeah. Let's see with the oracles, what more do we get? I really want to get to know more about what this person feels about you. Okay. Okay. What more do we have in their feelings? Okay. The first card we have is the throat chakra. Maybe they are not communicating to you. They have a blockage in their throat. They can't talk to you. They don't have that courage to talk to you. They want to talk to you. They have unsaid things. They have a lot of things going on in their mind. They are curious about you. They want to know what you're going through, what you're doing, what you want, what you expect, but they are not taking any step for it. And this is what's stressing them out. They would really want to talk to you. They really want to communicate to you. See, a new fresh start is going to happen. There is a scope of you both getting back together, talking to each other. There is a new vitality I can feel within your relationship. There is a scope of you both getting back together, having a beautiful relationship together. Okay. But that communication needs to happen, and you're going to get communication from this person. What more do we have? The next card we have is awaiting results. Maybe whatever you're waiting for is going to be presented to you. You're going to be given, if you're expecting communication, you are going to get that. If you're expecting a surprise visit from this person, you're going to get that. You are manifesting what you want. Yeah. So don't worry, everything is just falling into place. Just believe on the process. Just trust on the universe and the spirit guides and the angels, and everything is just going to be fine. Let's see what advice do we have from the fairy messages. Okay, from the oracle of fairies, let's see what messages, what advice specifically we have for you. The first we have is temptation. So be wary of or hold yourself off from temptations that are not good for you, okay, from people that are not good for you, maybe from the relationships that are not serving you any good, okay. You need to rise above the temptation. You don't need to fall for any temptation or any person for that sense, okay. Keep yourself away from any temptation, may it be a person or a feeling. The next we have is the wisdom. You have all answers within you. You don't have to seek your answers or find your answers of outside of yourself. You have all the answers within you. You don't have to search it elsewhere, okay. So just believe yourself, have faith in yourself. Don't expect answers out of you yourself. You have to seek within you. The next we have is the go outside. Maybe you have to go outside in the nature and you will find all the necessary signs and omens. You will get all the necessary signs and omens. You will receive it from universe, okay, from the nature, via the nature. Just need to relax to seek it within yourself. Take time for yourself. Go in the nature. Go outside and take a look of your relationship from the outside. Perceive it from as a third person. See what is ruining it, what is good for that relationship, and do as needed, okay. So yeah, this was it. If you like this reading, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, and yeah, see you in next video.